And there it is, I caught another one. It's a small rat. You can tell by the big tail that it is a rat, but a young one. I noticed they were damaging my nectarines. You can see this one. See the damage there. And the problem is that they don't eat just one. They bite like 5 or 7 of them and only eat one. So I didn't want that, and I placed the trap at the bottom of the tree, and there it is. Those almonds are really good bait. Now I'm gonna place it tonight again. Hopefully I catch more, because when you see one, there are more, and I'm gonna have a lot of fruit soon, so I don't want them around here. Thank you for watching.